Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Finelo app. First, open the Finelo app on your mobile device. Here, tap on Get Started. Now choose your trading path with Finelo, such as the AI chart analyzer or the trading challenge. Next, select yes or no when asked, have you ever traded before? Then select your age group. Now choose your main goal like building wealth, saving for the future, or learning how to trade. Then, select your current income source such as job, freelance, or business. Now choose how you would describe your financial situation like stable, improving, or struggling. Then tap on Continue. Now answer the question, is money a barrier to living the life you truly want? Then select whether you want to retire wealthy. Next, choose how confident you are about your financial future. Finally, complete the rest of the questions based on your own situation. So it depends on what you're looking for. Finelo offers a guided experience that helps beginners and intermediate users understand trading with the help of AI tools and personal insights. If you're someone who feels lost in trading, this app can provide structure and motivation. The AI chart analyzer can simplify tough decisions, and the financial questions help build a profile that leads to better suggestions. If you like apps that mix education, mindset coaching, and trading tools in one place, Finelo may be worth trying, especially if you're serious about improving your financial future. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.